Hello again, YouTube toy collectors. I hope everybody's doing well today. I think this should be a pretty good video, especially if you like 80s sort of era Matchbox cars. I want to check out all my versions of the T-Bird Turbo Coupe. That should be an 87 Ford Thunderbird Coupe. Up first, got this black one. Now this card has to have a little bit of play wear to it, but still really nice. That one's got the a gray interior and clear windows. So that's number one. I did not look up the years on these necessarily, but I believe the casting first came out in 1988. Anyway, it's got this nice metallic red one with the little Thunderbirds on the side and on the front hood. Again with suspension, gray interior, and clear windows. So very awesome. It's number two. Number three, got this metallic blue one with the pink graphics and the bright pink base. So I like that one too. Not sure I'd really want to personally drive around in a car with a pink base, but still pretty cool for a toy car. Up next, this is one of the Premier series vehicles. And this one has rubber tires. And to me it looks like a white gray interior, but could be a white interior. Got the printed license plate on that one. Still has suspension. And it's got some painted detail on the front, including the T-Bird. So very awesome. And I definitely saved the best for last. Gold one here with the CD or laser style wheels. This one's got suspension, gray interior, outstanding casting. Yeah, very cool. Very cool indeed. Anyways, that's it for this one, folks. Thanks for watching.